call my partner.
Yes,
And then she needs to say my name, and then you
Yes.
give me 1,000 rand.
Yeah, if she says your name. If your partner says a different name, then so it's only 30 seconds to the call.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
I'm fine. Marinkin ang my camera man. So
Yeah, I need to, it's a competition,
Yeah, I'll tell.
so we need to document it. It's a competition, we need to document it.
Yo.
We need to document it. It's a competition, so we need to show people how this thing is going, so that even other people can come and participate.
Sure, you're gonna give me 1,000 rand.
I'm 100% sure. That's why I'm shooting, so that it's a proof. We go to yes. 'Cause if I don't give you the 1,000 rand, you can take me to court. I get it. This is a proof.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm a chiti var directly. Yo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sisha.
Okay, Sisha, I'm fine.
Okay.
1,000 rand. Yeah.
Okay.
Yo.
Okay. My phone is in the car where I shoot. I don't have my phone with me.
Oh,
Can you shoot
okay.
in the car again?
I'm not stressed. Marungang Jones, tell me.
You're big. I can't even handle it. So this is your boy Lily Nolo from CMTV, my brother.
Sure.
I said 30 seconds, I get.
Yeah, 1,000 rand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The call will be very short. You said what's your name?
Ndomiso.
And then your girlfriend's name?
Cindy.
Cindy.
Yeah.
How long have you been together?
It's been on and off. I think it's a year. Yeah, it's been a year.
Do you guys have a baby?
No.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I'm looking forward for us to have a baby child.
Is she yellow bone?
She's yellow on page. She's thick, girl.
Yeah, okay. She's thick?
Yeah.
Okay. You like thick girls?
Obvious, mfethu alright, mfethu yabona nje.
Okay.
Ngisho sekutshela ngumuntu wami.
Faka ama numbers umfonele, yeah.
Okay.